Here then is the implementation of the pointer implementation idiom when you use unique pointer. On the left, account.h, the public header file that everyone includes. On the right, account.cpp, the implementation file that takes care of the job of delegating every call that comes into a public account function to the appropriate account impl function. You also have to handwrite the destructor, the move constructor, and the move assignment operator. You see those listed in the header file and then implemented on the right. Why? Because the ones the compiler generates for you will be generated at a time when the implementation class is still incomplete and will then throw error messages saying, I can't do this because this class is incomplete. All you've told me is class account impl. By putting these completely boilerplate implementations, they'll be the same in every time you do the Pimple idiom. The destructor will always have an empty body. The move constructor will always move the other guy's Pimple into your Pimple. The operator equals will always move the other guy's Pimple into your Pimple. You can just plunk these in from anywhere if you want your class to be movable. Of course, if you don't want your class to be movable, don't write move constructors and move operator equals. Just write the destructor. You can't get around that. You have to do that. Then the rest of it is simply a matter of the public signature of the class you're wrapping up. If there are 27 functions in the real account, there will be 27 functions in this wrapper account, and each one of them will delegate to the equivalent function over in the impl side and return whatever it is that the impl one returns. So that's your template for the Pimple idiom.